Hello, guys. I hope you're doing great. I hope you're doing well. If you're new here, welcome to my channel, and I hope you love it here. Today, I want to talk about the German um, elections. Yeah, as we all know, Germany currently, right now, is undergoing some sort of well, I say the government is a little bit still because they are actually on their way to electing new leaders, and we all have we have different kind of parties who are coming to say, if you vote me, this will happen. Currently, we all know what happened with the AFD party, where they come up to say they came up with this their laws, their bills to tighten up what immigration, especially it's not going to favor the asylum seekers. They are trying to close their borders and tighten up what immigration process, but thank God that that bill was what rejected. Okay, so Germany is currently on its way to elect new leaders, and let me tell you, your vote counts. Your vote counts. If you are a citizen, whether you're from Africa, you're from wherever, and you have your legacy, you are a citizen of Germany, you are what, allowed to vote. You have the right to vote. There's something I get to understand. A lot of people, they will not vote, and they'll just keep complaining that the government is not doing well. The government is not doing well. The question is, did you vote? Did you vote? And let me ask you, who is going to be your right candidate? Your vote counts. Your vote matters. If you are saying, okay, I want this party to win, I want this party to win because I love their manifesto, I love this. If you do not vote, what happens? Your vote is going to count to a lot of, and the system, the way they have made the system is that you can just vote, and then if you don't want to go to the polling unit, the voting unit, you can just put in the party that you want, and then you drop your whatever in the post office. Okay, they have made it so easy. It is not like in Nigeria or in some other third world countries, where you have to go to where you will vote, and then you'll be pushing each other up and down. You'll be dragging for space. In fact, a lot of times you even get exhausted and feel like, let me even go home, I'm tired. Okay, just because you want to vote. But this system is not like that. So if you are in these countries, please go, and you are eligible to vote, please go and cast your vote. Please cast your vote, because it's a very straightforward and a very easy process that you can do. Okay, so if you're sitting and saying you don't want this party, you don't want that party, what do? Cast your vote. And I want to say, cast your vote rightly. Vote what rightly. There are some countries that where some parties will come out, they want to bribe some people. This one is not like that. They'll just come out. Every party is going to come out with their manifesto. They'll read what they want to do, and if the people buy whatever it is they want to, and then they will be voted, and maybe majority will vote them and all of that. But please, I want to beg you, vote rightly, so that things can go well. Because when you have a good government, things will go well. When you have a good government that mean well for the society, that mean well for the country is going to go well and smoothly. Security is important. The well-being of the people is important. The health of people is important. Healthy working system is important. People, when people are working, they should be happy that they are working in an environment where they are happy, and also they are earning well. When people are earning very well, and they are working in a very conducive and a very nice environment, they will be happy. Okay, and also People deserve, a better wage, okay? So if you're going to say, okay, I want this country to be better, I am a citizen of this country, or my children are citizens of this country, or whatsoever, you can't achieve that when you do not go out to vote. Please try to cast your vote, okay? Your vote is very, very what important, because it's going to add up. So you sitting down at home, you're not voting, please do not complain. When things aren't going well, don't say, oh, this government is not this government is not that. Whereas when you have the opportunity to cast your vote, you did not cast your vote. So we all know that things are kind of like dangling right now in Germany, because um things aren't okay for now, because it's just in the process of getting a new leader. So until when there are new leaders, then things will begin to kind of work again smoothly and all of that. Please, what I just want to urge you is cast your vote. If you are a citizen of Germany, you are eligible to vote. It doesn't matter the country you are from. You can be from Nigeria, you can be from Ghana, you can be from Senegal. If you are a citizen, you are eligible to vote. Go and cast your vote. If you are a native citizen, cast your vote. Cast it, rightly and properly, okay? Because it is very, very what important. And also, wherever part of the country that you are, your vote matters a lot. A lot of people, they'll just sit down one place and they'll be complaining how things are not working well, how things are bad, how the country is hard, how some of the things that is happening is not supposed to happen. They'll just sit down and be complaining about the government. But when it is time to vote, you will not see them going out to vote. Yeah, a lot of people will not go out to vote. They wouldn't go out to vote, but the only thing they know how to do is lay complaints. The country is not this, the country is not that. How would the country get better when people like you is sitting down at home when it's time to vote? Or how will the country get better in places where people are collecting bribe just to, for them to be voted? Thank God this country's Germany is not like that, thank God. But I'm just speaking on a general note. So why will a country be better where some people are taking some kind of bribe just to vote a certain person? Not because this person is your prospect, not because you like this person, but because you feel, okay, this person has given me. You even hear slangs like, now the one where I see now will use whole body. That's how you start hearing a lot of slangs and all of that. And then when things go wrong, you begin to say, this is not this is not that, the country is bad, the country is that. What am I trying to say in essence? Go and cast your vote. Go and cast your vote. Don't just sit down at home and say it doesn't concern me. Whatever happens, anyhow they want to do it, whatever they want to do, I don't care. Whoever sits on the seat, no problem, we are good to go, we keep going. No, please, if you're eligible to go to vote, I am encouraging you. Please, I am begging you. If you are eligible to vote and you have the passport, you are still, please go and cast your vote. Do not say it doesn't concern me, it concerns you. By the time things maybe will begin to go in a certain way that you will know definitely that by that time it concerns you. Don't just sit down and fold your hands. Some people have very nonchalant attitude that nothing concerns them. Whether things are going bad, things are getting spoiled, it doesn't concern them. You can't be living your life like that. You can't be that kind of person. You can't be like that. Okay? If you are eligible to vote, please go out there and cast your vote. Thank God they have made things very, very easy in such a way that you could actually sit in the comfort of your home and you do whatever it is. Maybe you take it to the post office and then you drop it there and all of that. Don't sit down and fold your hands and say it doesn't concern me. Don't do that. it is not good. All right, thank you very much. All right, so I am encouraging you to please go cast your vote. If you live in Germany and you're a citizen and you are eligible to vote, please cast your vote. Yeah, until I see you again, I still remain Anita Emi, but please do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Please share, like, and drop your comment in the comment section. Please do not forget to subscribe, share this video, because when you share it, it gets a lot of people that will need this video. Thank you very much.